Hi, I'm Hannah Elamine of nutritionthatfits.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make prepackaged snacks at home. One of the very popular snacks that you can buy prepackaged are little pizza pockets that you can find in the frozen food aisle. They're obviously appealing. I mean, who doesn't like a quick pizza and a little bite? But a lot of the time, into the dough, there are a lot of extra unnecessary fats and chemicals and things like that. So I'm going to show you how to make the same treat at home, as well as talk a little bit about how you can vary it and make it your own as well. Put your little personal spin on it. So I start with, this is refrigerated pizza dough that I bought ready-made from the store at just about $1 a bag. And I've rolled it out to about 1/4 inch thick. And then I've cut it into these little circles. Then I'm going to brush the edges with a little bit of egg white. Now you can use obviously a brush if you have it. I'm just using the fork because then I can press it closed with the same fork once I'm done. So it's kind of like a 2-in-1. And to that, we're going to add a little bit of this pizza sauce. Again, all natural. I bought it. I did not have to make that myself. And on top of that, we're going to sprinkle, this is a mixture of fresh grated mozzarella and a little bit of Parmesan cheese as well. So just sprinkle that right on top. Now normally to this I would like to also add maybe some torn up fresh spinach as well, right in that same pocket. Then you're going to fold this over. Okay. And that same fork that I used to brush the egg white on, I'm just going to use to kind of press it closed around the edges. It's okay if a little sauce comes out, no problem. And then you brush a little egg white on the top as well. And that's going to make the finished product nice and golden, just like you see here. These are going to go in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes, depending on your oven. Just keep checking on them and looking and wait until you get this nice golden color. Then they'll come out nice and hot and bubbly, and you can enjoy them. I'm Hannah Elamine of nutritionthatfits.com, and I hope you enjoy these pizza pockets.